人还不是一样的，你看嘛。哎，这车子飘，你看吧。我操，车刚跑！我操，狼车刚跑！我操！
我已经感觉车在飘浮。
Chaos in Wuhan, due to heavy rain and strong winds. At 13 o'clock on April 11, Wuhan was hit by a sudden rainstorm. Just a few hours later, Wuhan was hit by severe flooding at night. Video footage showed that on low-lying roads, cars were floating directly on the water, and car owners were holding on to the roofs of their cars while waiting for help. In the midst of the heavy rain, Wuhan, Hubei was hit by a thunderstorm with a maximum gust of 35 meters per second, severe convection, and a sandstorm. According to online reports, a delivery person in the Evergrande Huafu community was hit by a collapsed wall and fell to the ground. Wuhan, located in the subtropical humid monsoon climate zone, has abundant rainfall and 4 distinct seasons. Spring and autumn each last for nearly 60 days.
我已经感觉车在飘浮。
Wuhan's winters are very cold, and although temperatures are not as low as in some northern cities, the chill from the river winds and high humidity make it feel 10 degrees colder, with temperatures dropping to -5 degrees Celsius, but heavy snowfall is rare.
我靠，你看，湖水都吹上来了，我们就知道这风有多大了。
Summers are very hot and humid, lasting around 130 days with temperatures as high as 40 degrees Celsius, 104 degrees Fahrenheit. While this may not be particularly hot, the humidity is high. Wuhan is well deserved of its reputation as one of China's 3 summer stove cities, the others being Chongqing and Nanjing.